For someone who we've seen as a picture of composure, party patriarch Sharad Pawar barely being able to hold it together, breaking down. The first reaction coming in from the Pawar family, where he speaks of the loss of his nephew, something that the family would never be able to get over. A huge loss for Maharashtra is what he says. But he says something important in terms of the opposition is concerned, because there has been murmurs. You have Mamata Banerjee, who's come out and said it on record that there was a conspiracy behind Ajit Pawar's death and there should be a court-monitored probe. You have Sharad Pawar, who is very close to the likes of Mamata Banerjee, says, don't politicize this. This was an accident. It is something which we'll never be able to come out of as a family. It's a huge loss for Maharashtra. A man in grief, 85-year-old Sharad Pawar, speaking for the Pawar clan. That proverbial divide between Sharad Pawar and Ajit Pawar, where politics is concerned, today stands completely blurred. But what does it really mean for the NCP? What does it really mean when it comes down to the legacy of the Pawar? Will Ajit Pawar's death bring the NCP together? There is clearly a political vacuum. What next for the party and Maharashtra politics?
28 January, 8:45 a.m. Shock gripped the nation. The state of Maharashtra and the once powerful Pawar clan, Deputy Chief Minister and NCP Chief Ajit Pawar had died in a plane crash while travelling to Baramati. At 66, a six-time Deputy Chief Minister, a formidable power centre, a strong regional satrap, Ajit Pawar's sudden death has left a huge vacuum and pertinent questions on what lies ahead, importantly for the Pawars. The sharp divide that once split the Nationalist Congress Party on Tuesday appeared blurred. United in grief. The line separating the Ajit Pawar faction from the Sharad Pawar faction today was invisible. What was visible? A bereaved Pawar family standing together. The political split dates back to the dramatic events of November 23, 2019. When both Devendra Fadnavis and Ajit Pawar took oath at a dawn ceremony in Raj Bhavan. The union lasted only 88 hours, and Sharad Pawar managed to bring Ajit Pawar back into the fold of the Maha Vikas Aghadi alliance. Then, July 2023, the split was definitive, with Ajit Pawar breaking away from his uncle Sharad Pawar, taking a group of MLAs with him and joining the BJP Shiv Sena government, formally dividing the NCP into two rival camps, taking with him the party name and the symbol. Now there were two factions, Sharad Pawar NCP and the Ajit Pawar NCP. Both sides faced off with each other in epic battles. In Lok Sabha, Supriya Sule versus Sunetra Pawar. Sule defeated Ajit Pawar's wife in Baramati. Today, family ties ran deeper than politics. Supriya Sule was the pillar of strength for her sister-in-law Sunetra, not leaving her side in grief. In assembly elections, Ajit Pawar clinched a decisive victory from his traditional Baramati assembly constituency, defeating his nephew Yogendra Pawar of the Sharad Pawar faction. Today, Yogendra Pawar was one of the first to reach the hospital when the remains of his uncle were taken. The party patriarch Sharad Pawar, who had cut ties with his nephew, today in Baramati was unable to control his emotions.
Me Ajit Ashatai Anantrao Pawar.
Post-state assembly elections, Ajit Pawar with Mahayuti took oath as Maharashtra Deputy Chief Minister.
कायद्याद्वारे स्थापित झाले आहे अशा भारतीय संविधानाबद्दल
Political compulsions later forced a limited reunion. Both factions came together for the Pune and Pimpri Chinchwad civic elections. The experiment, however, fell short, with the BJP defeating the NCP in what were once its strongholds. Brand Pawar was in peril, despite uniting. It was defeated on its own turf. Political circles were abuzz. Would the twain meet? Was a reconciliation on the cards? It was now a matter of survival. Ajit Pawar himself spoke of it just days ago.
कुछ विधायकों ने भी मेरे कान पे डाला कि
उनके एनसीपी एसपी के और आपके भी
नहीं उनके उनके कि दादा सब हमें भी साथ लेके चलो क्योंकि अभी ऐसा हुआ है कि अपोजिशन वाले विधायक रहते हैं तो उनको उनके कॉन्स्टिट्यूंसी में जो भी डेवलपमेंट करने के लिए मदद लगती है उतनी मदद नहीं होती। पहले तो वैसा नहीं था, अपोजिशन में रहने के बाद भी अपोजिशन का काम होता था।
Now, with Ajit Pawar gone, the NCP finds itself at a crossroads. Questions on leadership, unity, and direction loom large. And above all, one question dominates: who will fill the void left behind by Ajit Pawar? And what will come of the legacy of the Pawars? Bureau Report, India Today.